This is how you replace the power piston, which is the black rubber membrane here of Stirling engine number 9. Unfortunately, these rubber pistons will over time deteriorate and often leak, and then the engine will not run, or will slow down and stop running. The first step is to remove the connecting rod from the magnet, and that's just a matter of a gentle pull. Swing that out of the way. And the next step is to remove the magnet from the displacer piston. Now that's free. And the next step is to remove the power unit, which is this whole cylinder and copper or brass plate from the unit. You can do that by loosening the bolts that hold it. There's 3 bolts that hold it, and I'm going to just loosen them. I'm going to loosen the outer ones first. It might be a little bit tight, but I just use finger tight, is good enough. I leave the center one to last because that's the one that's holding up the weight. Make sure you hold the power unit so that it doesn't drop off when the bolt is loosened. Also make sure that it's cooled off enough. You can move the candle out of the way by loosening the mounting bolt and sliding it out. And now it just removes in a downward direction. Make sure the bottom is clean. Sometimes soot builds up on the bottom. It's clean, and you can put it down. Get the engine out of the way. Now the power unit is removed and the power piston is accessible.